good, y'all? It's your girl Braids by Net. Thank you all for tuning in again. Today will be a tutorial on an Egyptian bob, as I like to call it. I know I already started on her hair. The back I did 4 rows. In the front I just parted a row straight across, just to show you guys the most important parts. So you all will see me adding some hair in while I braid, because if anyone knows, Spectra Ease braid is what I always use, but this time I decided to use their shorter length, and the shorter length was really thin once I got to the bottom, so I continuously had to add hair in. So that is definitely one con about Spectra Ease braid hair. So you all just continue to watch. Let me know below in the comments what y'all think of this style, and what you guys would like to see more. So at the bottom of each braid, I will tie a knot to show me where I stopped off, and where I should put the rubber band. So as you all continue to watch, you will see that I add the rubber bands where I put the knots at, and then I cut the hair. So here I'm just adding the rubber band to where I put the knots, and I cut right under the rubber band. To have a more feathered look, I would say to cut a little bit further below than I did. This was my first time trying this hairstyle, so just trial and error. But this was really a pretty dope and easy hairstyle that I just love to do. And hopefully in the future I'll have some more clients who will allow me to do this hairstyle again. After I cut the bottom of the hair, I will add some accessories, some gold accessories, and I will add the link down below where I purchased my accessories, and I also added some gold string. So yeah, if you guys, again, let me know down below what you guys think of this hairstyle, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all for tuning in once again.